everyone, and thanks for joining me today for Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I will show you how to create a fox. Now stick around so I can share with you our summer reading secret code. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, scissors, and some coloring supplies. Alright guys, once you selected your sheet of paper you want to work with, go ahead and bring the top corner towards the bottom. We are going to create that triangle, fold it going downward, and let's cut off our side piece here to get a square out of this sheet of paper, just like this. Now make sure that your cutout here of this triangle, the folds are towards the bottom. Now what we want to do is bring one of the sheets upward to the edge on the very top here, just like this. Go ahead and crease really good there, and then go ahead and bring it all the way back down. Now we just created another crease right there. Bring in this tip right back to that crease, just like this. Okay, and now let's focus here on the right side. This corner, you're going to align it. There's a triangle here that we created. You're going to align this point to the left side point of this triangle down here. So go ahead and just swing it all the way over to that point and crease. Okay, so our little guide is the little triangle here in the middle. So crease that there, and let's work on the left side. Go ahead and bring this corner here, and you're going to align it to the right side bottom corner of the triangle here, right in the middle. So you're going to swing this over. So this, align it to that point there. And we're going to crease. Just like this. All right, so now this point here, what we're going to do, our guide now will be the edge of this flap here. So go ahead and swing it back to the top in a diagonal direction. And this will be our guide as to how far we need to push up. Just there. Just like this, okay? Do the same thing to this side. So now we're going to align, create another point using this fold that we just created. So bring this corner upward so it matches the left side and crease just like this. All right, now the top portion here, what we're going to do is just fold this whole piece downward, and we're going to fold it up until the left and the right will be our guide as to how far we need to fold this top portion. All right, so we're just going to fold that down. And this part is a little thick, so make sure you crease it nicely there. All right, so just like this. And now go ahead and just flip the whole entire piece over. And here is your fox. Let's go ahead and add some colors, and you get to have fun with it. So I'm using acrylic paint, and I want some really nice circles for my eyes. So I'm actually using the bottle as something I can just trace my fox eyes. My fox is gonna have really big, really big eyes, like a raccoon. Okay. And then I'm going to just do that. Let's see, and then I'm going to add some little squigglies here. And have fun with your fox. It can be different. It can have different colors to it. That's my nose there. And I do want to go on top here. I'm going to add some colors here to my ear. Okay, So that's my fox there, and I'm gonna give him some blue eyes. And you can use whatever coloring supplies you have available. I think these paints work awesome on our little fox here. You can use crayons and markers. I love to use color pencils too. You can use some chalk. Okay. So we'll just go through it and just, you know, add some color to our lovely fox here. So let me bring one in that I already completed. Here's our little fox, all colorful and dried and just ready to add it. You can, you know, add it as like a card. You can add it into a book. You can just, you know, make a bunch of these and send them as in a letter in a snail mail, or just, you know, have fun with these guys. It's an awesome fold. I love this fold. It's really fun. And now for our summer reading secret code. It is OWATCH25. It can be entered at www.maricopacountyreads.org for additional points. You can also send in your masterpiece to library@buckeyeaz.gov for an additional 15 points. And for extra 25 points, bring in your masterpiece to either library location, the downtown library, or the Coyote branch, or the bookmobile for those extra points. If you haven't signed up for their summer reading program, it is not too late. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you next week for more origami fun. Bye!